Step into the world of high-octane performance and cutting-edge design with this electrifying video comparison of two legendary machines, the Lamborghini car and the Suzuki Hayabusa motorcycle. Set against identical and breathtaking backdrops from city streets to racetracks, we offer a side-by-side comparison that dives deep into what makes these icons of speed so extraordinary. As our journey begins, feast your eyes on the sleek aerodynamics of the Lamborghini's design. Its angular lines and aggressive posture are a testament to Italian craftsmanship. The Hayabusa, with its streamlined silhouette, mirrors the Lamborghini's design philosophy in a motorcycle form, perfectly blending beauty and beastly power. We move next to the heart of these beasts. The Lamborghini boasts an engine that roars with unparalleled might, capable of shattering speed limits with ease. Meanwhile, the Suzuki Hayabusa's engine is no less formidable, giving the bike blistering acceleration and top speeds that rival the fastest on the planet. Watch as we showcase these monsters on highways, twisting and turning with elegance and precision, displaying their superior handling and stability. See them on the racetrack, unleashing every ounce of power, the Lamborghini's tires screeching with an almost primal sound, while the Hayabusa slices through the air with razor-sharp agility. In close-up shots, the intricate details of both machines come to life. Every curve, every bolt, every inch of meticulous engineering is revealed in stunning 4K quality. The Lamborghini's luxurious interior, filled with high-tech gadgets, stands in contrast to the Hayabusa's minimalist yet highly functional dashboard. Performance stats flash on the screen, comparing acceleration times, horsepower, and sheer unadulterated speed. Each scene is matched perfectly in background and lighting, creating a seamless visual experience that captivates the senses. From the neon lights of a cityscape to the sun-drenched expanses of open roads, our video harnesses the true essence of both the Lamborghini car and the Suzuki Hayabusa motorcycle. Prepare to be enthralled by a professional, dynamic, fast-paced visual testament to these two marvels of automotive and motorcycle engineering. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a bike lover, or simply an aficionado of speed and design, this video will leave you on the edge of your seat, craving for more.